before we deploy, we'll need an ease on the masthead, the starboard sheet.
Why did we have to bring the hydro up here?
Because we are going too slow for it to generate power. Because the wind has died again.
How long is it going to die for this time?
That's around
Well,
no.
if we're lucky, maybe we'll be floating around for like 4 or 5 hours. And then it will fill in again.
And if we're not lucky?
Then we're not lucky.
I'm afraid to get lucky.
But Seb's lucky, so everything's okay.
But you guys made that the sacrifice for Neptune though.
Yeah, I told you Neptune was a freaking vegan.
But it gave us.
This is your fault.
It gave us a little bit of wind. We've parked only for 6 hours last night. It's fine.
Have you got any more saucisson?
I do have some. Do you want another offer to Neptune? Maybe the offer was too small.
So Lincoln,
Yeah.
what's the most infuriating sound in all of sailing?
Most infuriating sound in all of sailing. That. Again. And again. And again. This is, yeah. Life in the Mediterranean, hey? Just stop, start, stop, start. Although we've got a little bit of wind coming, we might get through this.
So the wind is supposed to come from here, and it's come from here. So that's magic. Try to understand. And we are in the middle of nowhere. I mean, no island, no land, anything, like 50 miles away. And there is wind, but in a complete opposite direction. Why not?
a trick to a good tune that makes you drive fast?
I'm not sure it's making me driving fast, but it's making me happy. I mean, that's the best thing you can do in the world, like steering the boat in the middle of nowhere with a wonderful sunset just behind and singing the song you like. So the previous one was I can buy me some flowers, and the one before was Losing My Religion, one of my favorite ones. And the one before was The Man Who Sold the World, but the Nirvana Unplugged version. I got this one too from Joe Jackson. Is she really going out tonight? Is she really gonna take it home tonight? Something going wrong around here. There is like the bass play in this song.
Imagine if we went to the original one. Tonight, a little bit of downwind, a little bit of light air downwind VMG tonight. Hopefully, if we kind of the trough, kind of the northern part of this little trough, there's a little low pressure spinning up, and so we're the wind's rotating around, and we're reaching at the mark at the moment. But very soon we're going to be into probably an A2 or a Mo, and a few drives in the light airs, and hopefully get to the mark sometime tomorrow morning.